Good morning, students. Today we are here to discuss the topic of Scratch tool, that is as per the curriculum of 10th grade CBSE. In Scratch tool, what we can operate, what we can perform, that we will discuss today. And this chapter can be covered in 3 to 4 lectures. So continuously listen these all 3-4 lectures. So we are going to start now. What is Scratch? Scratch is basically a visual programming platform, visual presents that will be visible or that will be presented in front of others in the form of pictures or audio clips. And it is developed by Michael Resnick. And it is a tool without text-based programming because many students that are not interested in doing any language programming, they can use this tool for the purpose of preparing their particular project. And the major thing, it's a free software, anybody can get it, download and use it. And it is also beneficial for children about the age of 10 years. How to open the Scratch tool? For opening a Scratch tool, firstly click on start button, then select all programs and then select the Scratch option. Now what are the tools available in a Scratch window? What are the components available in a Scratch window? These are the components that are available in Scratch window. Before going to this part, I will show you the window of Scratch tool. This is the actual window of Scratch tool that will be displayed when you are going to open a Scratch tool program. Now we will discuss one by one each part. Now here, see now, the above part is called your duplicate option is there, delete option is there, grow, shrink and block help. And on this side, file, edit, one more option there, tips is about is there. These are the Scratch home option. It is Scratch home option. It is for changing the language, and these are the main menus that are available in a Scratch tool. And stages. Basically, 3 stages are there. To move to the full screen, we will click on this button. This is for execution of program. This is for stopping the program. And down 4 options are there. First option is for choose. Second option is for painting. Third is for uploading. And fourth is for opening the webcam pics. And this is the stage 1, and this is by default sprite. So this all part we will cover in this topic. Some parts are like backdrop, upload backdrop, paint backdrop. These all will be covered in the option of Scratch tool. We will discuss it one by one by doing programming also. So let's start with the Scratch tool programs. Firstly, Scratch interface that we discuss now only. It include title bar, menu bar, stage, block palette, script area, green flag and red button. Title bar, what it is? It is the name of program. Recently we have discussed the title bar. Title bar is on the Scratch tool area. This is called a title bar. Where the name of tool is given, that is Scratch 2, or where the name of program will be given, that is title bar. Second step we have written here, that is motion, for movement of sprite. Motion is for movement of sprite, where it will move. It means it will move in left side, right side, direction will be given. Like here, motion option there. These all are the motion part where it can move. And third part is sound. Sound is for generation different type of sound effect like cat sound, band sound. Many types of sounds are available. We can adjust the sounds as per our requirement. And next is, that is your pen. These all are the blocks that are used generally: motion, looks, sound, pen, data, event, control, sensing, operator and more blocks. Motion is for direction only. Looks is for how it will look like on screen. Sound is for giving sound effects. Pen is for drawing any pictures or circle or square. Data is for giving the variable. And event is for controlling the program when we will press space key when we click anywhere. Controlling is for how many time it will repeat for a conditional part. And sensing is for to finding or measurement or to sense where the cursor is right now. And operator for numerical operation like less than, greater than, equal to symbols. These all will cover in the part of Scratch. Now next part. Types of block. Blocks are basically stack block, head block, reporter block, cap block, C block, and boolean block. First block is a stack block. Other blocks are stacked at the bottom. Basically, it is like a when click option. When we select the when click, the rest all blocks will be attached at the down. We will more clear in the programming part. We will do the programming. Concept of variable. How to include a variable. How to use a variable. A variable occupies space in the memory. Very first thing, it occupies the space in the memory. Second, it is the part of data block and it is used to store values. Now see in Scratch tool. It is a part of data part, and we can make variable from this side. We can make variable from this part. See, now steps are already given. First step is related to how to prepare the variable. For preparing a variable, now see step 1, click on data option. Step 2, click on make a variable option. Step 3, give the name of variable, and step 4 is for press OK. After pressing OK, we will go to the next step and a variable will be created. Next is tempo. Tempo is basically for the purpose of sound effect. How much out will be generated by a system. It is the rate of playing out sound. It is measured in BPM. What is BPM? Beats per minute. It's the part of sound block, and minimum value of tempo is 20 beats per minute, and maximum value it can be 500 beats per minute. Events, it is used for controlling and triggering the script. Event can be when click, when any key press, on receiving some message, on background changing. And conditionality is available in the control box, in which we can give the condition, how many time it will repeat, when it will stop. These are the part of conditional. Now we are going to some programming part. First program, we are going to prepare the program for preparing the circle. In this program, see now, we have to design the circle. Firstly, we have selected when clicked. When clicked is the part of your conditional. It means when it will happen, when it will be start. See now in control, in event first option is when click. We have selected when click, when it will happen. Pen down for writing from pen, and pen is under the category of pen options. Here it pen down is there. Now repeat. How many time it will be repeat? Now everybody knows for creating a circle, we need to move at 360 degree, and we will repeat 60 time. And what will repeat 60 time? We will turn 6 degrees. 60 into 6, 360 degree it will rotate in a full circle, and it will be draw. And what we will do, we will move 10 step. On rotation time we will move 10 step, and the circle size will be increased or decreased. Suppose I am changing the size now. Suppose I am changing size here 5. Now what will be the effect? See now, after that, this is the execution. For execution we are clicking here. Now see the size of circle, it is reduced. If I am increasing the movement, it means the you can say it's the radius. If I am increasing the movement, then see the now size will be increased by default, and the circle size will be increased like this. So the circle size is depend upon the movement, and turn it depend on degree, how much space it will move, and the third one, repeat, how many times the same process will be repeated. And hide, after doing the operation, it will be hidden from a cursor. It will be hidden from the user. Next program is related to drawing a we will do first square. For drawing a square, we have prepared this program. Everything will be happen when we will click. So firstly we will set the cursor on 0 0 position. 0 0 is the center position of your Scratch tool, and then we will rotate the pen here. Suppose approximately here 0 0 position will be there. For 0 0 position will be here in center only, and afterward we will open the pen. For opening the pen down option is there in pen, and after that we will repeat 4 times. Why we repeat 4 times? Because a square contains of 4 lines, and 4 lines will be repeated how many times? 4 times. So we will move 40 step. It will count 40 step. It will increase the value of 40 step by one, and after that, after 40 step, it will rotate up to 90 degree. Again it will count 40 step, again 90 degree. Again it will rotate 40 step, and again 90 degree, and it will become a circle. And afterward we will go to 2020 part. What is 2020? We are changing the direction of our square, and it will again draw the other circle. Now see the result first. The first circle came from 0 0 position. 0 0 position, firstly it moved for 40 steps of x value. After that it start rotating at down. After that again 40 step, again rotate. Afterward 40 step, again rotate. First circle complete. Afterward it is going to the next step. First time drawing the circle, again pen up. It means you will remove the pen from your paper and you will go to the next step. And next step start from x 20 20. 20 20 position is here. It will start moving from this position. Firstly it will go to 20 steps. After it will keep the pen here, it will go to 40 steps. Afterward it will rotate 90 degree, again 90 degree, again 90 degree, again 90 degree, and it will draw a circle. And after drawing both the circle, it will be hide from a screen. That's the second program. Now third program. Third program is related to your variables. How variables can be used? See now. Here, for creation of variable, first step is how to create the variable. Variable is the part of data option. We will click here. We will give the variable name. Variable name, make a variable. We will give the variable name and we will select OK. We have given here x already. So in x, by default set x to 0. By default value of x is 0. Changing in value is by step 1. And now what we have done? When click event will be happen, x will be set to 5. The value of x is set to 5. Now 10 steps we are going to repeat, and what we are doing? We are moving 0 steps. We are not moving from here. Just we are changing the value of x by 3 steps. Suppose I am writing here moving 10 steps. Now what will happen? Firstly, before moving I am checking. After that I will show you after moving. And I am changing the value of 3. Changing the value of x by 3 again and again. And how many times? 3 times. So what will the result? See on left corner of screen here. Now see what will the effect. It is counting, it start counting from 5 and it will move up to 35 because 3 10 ja 30 and it was starting in first position 5. 30 plus 5 35. Now if I am doing movement here on repeat event, it is moving 10 steps. What will happen? See now. How it happens? It will rotate 10 steps 10 times. Before rotating, see now again. It is on which position? It is on position that is x100. Now see. Next position is 200. Why it is moving 10 200? Because 10 into 10, 10 into 10 100, and it was in starting 100 position, so it moved to the 200 position now. This is second program. Third program now. Third program is related to the tempo. Tempo presents how to create a variable. How to create a variable for sound effect. Now see the program. Firstly, click event. We set already tempo to 200. The minimum value will be 20 and maximum can be 500. And we will repeat 10 times this step. What we will do? We will move 10 steps again and again. It will play the drum and with the sound 13, and 13 sound presents bongo sound. And afterward 0.25 beats, value is 0.25, and again it will play note sound. Two sound will be played together. How many times? 10 times, and every time the value of tempo will be changed. It means it will be in increasing order. It will start from 200 and it will move up to 300 because 10 time it will change. Oh sorry, till 400, because 10 time 20 20 it will change. It will go to 200 more, and in starting it was 200, so it will become 400. Now see the effect. The reason behind that one, it is moving back. We have written if on edge bounce. What is the meaning of on edge bounce? When it is touching the last corner, it will move back. That is the concept of on edge bounce option. I think you understood these all programs. If any doubt, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number also, or you can personally contact to me. Thank you. Have a nice day for this session. In next session, we will do the more programs related to the Scratch tool.